Welcome back, guys, CryptoFolite channel. In this video, I would like to show you just a cool feature, some cool trick what you can use inside TradingView when you analyze the charts and put a lot of drawings on your screen. Let's dive in. Take a look, guys. This is an example. With this feature, you can save a lot of time. And so when you analyze a lot of charts, when you add a lot of drawings, different drawings, you mark some things like fair value gaps, the liquidity pool, some breakup structure, chalk, and other things. It's kind of mess, and we need to organize our charts so you can group your drawings in different folders. So how to do this one? Let's say this is algo, USDT, trading pair on the daily time frame. Let's say I go to the line chart, I use the line, use the magnet. This is going to be just example, the downtrend line, for example. And after that, let's mark this is a local breakup structure. So we already break this high. This is going to be the both. I highly recommend it, by the way, create templates. Also liquidity pool. And this is the lines. So we got 3 lines, for example. Let's mark the fair value gap. This one, it's a daily fair value gap, daily imbalance zone, the weekly fair value gap, 2 gaps, right? And the 3 lines. You can add a lot of things and you can organize everything on your object tree. So how to do this one? You can press command or control if you use the Windows and select, for example, 3 object. We go into the object tree, 3 object is selected. You can unselect, press command or select it back. And here you can create a group of drawings. You press it on the folder, rename, for example, it will be the lines. And the same way we can organize just rectangles, our blocks, fair value gap. And this one, fair value gap. Now, when you analyze the chart and you need to remove something, you don't need to click a line by line like this one, hide it, right? You just can click it here and remove all lines from your chart or remove all fair value gaps, for example. And I want to remind you one more trick how you can use that drawings and check on different time frames. For example, we got like daily imbalance zone and the weekly imbalance zone. But when I go to 12 time frame, I don't want to see the weekly fair value gap because it's a mass and I don't need that information. What can I do? I just open the settings, go to visibility and choose. So I don't want to see this fair value gap, for example, on the hours, on our time frames. Press OK. So now when I analyze the chart, I don't see the weekly fair value gap on hours. On a minute, I will see this one. On the daily, I will see this one. On the weekly, also. Guys, I hope you like this video. Use these 2 simple tricks when you organize your charts on TradingView. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time.